How you doing? I'm Chris Nutter with AVNation. I'm here with Tim from D-Tools. And
Hello.
we are going over what D-Tools has here at ISE.
Great.
Tell us about D-Tools and what you guys have to show.
Great. Okay, Chris. So what we have is we have a solution for dealers that helps streamline the way they do their system estimation, their system design, and their project management. It's wrapped into a single application. Normally these things are done in different applications. Sometimes people use Excel, or they may use Visio and AutoCAD to do their design, and they may use something else for project management. What we do is we bring that all together into a data-driven process, which means data from actual manufacturers are used to drive the specifications. So everything from dimensions, product images, descriptions, SKUs, and all the way down to the inputs and outputs are used by the dealers. And what we do is we help them calculate an estimated install price based on the price they set for the equipment and an estimated time to install. So we have a library of literally thousands of manufacturers, hundreds of thousands of SKUs, and we track project phase, and we'll have an estimated time to install for each piece of equipment. So as integrators are building projects, they're going to use this data, they're going to set their pricing, and then once they set their labor rates, what they're going to charge for a particular phase of the project, as they're adding products to a bill of materials, we're going to automatically calculate the time and the installed price. From there, they can generate all documentation. So things like estimates, proposals, client-facing contracts, anything client-facing, as well as use that same data to generate drawings in either Visio or AutoCAD. It's all data-driven. If you look at the screen here, we've got a drawing, it's a D-Tools project. So basically this Visio drawing is made up of items that are in this bill of materials. So once the dealers can specify a location, they can specify systems, and then really all they're going to do is drag and drop from their product catalog to populate to either the bill of materials or the drawing. Anything they add to the drawing will be added to the bill of materials, and then documentation can be generated from there. Now, they can also use this information to schedule out the install. So everything is really self-contained. So project managers can come here, use our scheduling editor, and schedule and publish tasks and service orders out to our new mobile install capabilities, which is basically a portal on the cloud. Dealers can get it, their notification basically on their phone, on their iPad, on any device. They can pull up their task, they can start a timer so they can start the work. They can mark things as installed, they can take pictures of the install, they can note the serial number, and all of that information will come back into ISE2015 so you can manage the project all the way through.
So let me get this straight. For the average Joe who's listening to this right now, your goal, I mean, besides all the complex work you guys did in the background that nobody sees, is really to make an ease of use product that the average person could come up, easy, painstaking, you know, drag drop type features that you can put together a professional looking piece of material to hand to a client, so you're just not going in there looking like, you know, I just showed up with a pocket full of
and it's great for dealers that are just starting out. They need to get that repeatable process. If they look professional and they have professional looking proposals, they're going to have more confidence, they're more likely to win the job. Now, they've won the job, they need to be able to deliver it, right? So having that organization all the way through helps them really deliver that job on time and to budget. And then as their company grows, as they scale, we also have from smaller residential dealers to large commercial integrators that, you know, cross the gamut, right? Millions of dollar projects, all the way down to $10,000 and $20,000 projects for the average dealer.
And for the people that are going to be watching this also works with Windows, Mac, across the board?
Well, we're definitely a Windows shop. We work on Mac through Parallels or through VMware. We are a Microsoft Gold Certified ISV, as well as an authorized Autodesk developer, and we also integrate with QuickBooks. So basically you can really manage your entire project lifecycle through one streamlined workflow. And it's easy to use.
So we're here at ISE out in Amsterdam, and are you bringing any new features to the
well, we are showing our newest version, which is SI2015. We have a wealth of new features, and too many to name, but really the main thing that we're really debuting and showing off are our mobile capabilities to be able to do the mobile installation, tie that in. We've also made improvements to our QuickBooks integration so you can view your inventory through QuickBooks and have that visible through D-Tools as well. And we made tons of improvements to the drawing engines as well. So everything is really tied together to make it faster for the dealers to do the work they do every day.
Excellent, excellent. Well, there you have it. We're here with D-Tools at ISE 2015. We just heard about the simple, easy-to-use software. Give them a look. And your website is?
D-Tools.com, d-tools.com.
Excellent. Check it out.
All right, thanks.